Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Because of COVID, most of us have resorted to shopping online because it is definitely much safer. But how can we shop online for clothes? It is a little tricky, and in today's video I will be sharing you my tips and tricks which I've learned the hard way, how to avoid any problems while shopping online and how to effectively shop online. So let's get on with our video. Okay, my tip number one is to go for brands which you know of. If you go for your trusted brands, you know the quality of the clothes which the brand offers, and so you know how the fit goes, the sizing goes. So it is much better to shop for brands which you've already know of and you've already purchased the clothes of. Tip number two, especially if you're going for a site which you are not well aware of, you can always check the online reviews, honest online reviews. And if you really want to experiment, you can buy some small item, something which is not very expensive, maybe one piece of cloth or something, so that you can check it out, and if you want you can always order more of it. Tip number three, even while shopping for trusted brands, it is always better to go over their return policies, because since you cannot touch and feel the dress and you don't know how the dress is going to be on you, so just see the shipping cost and the return policy. If the shipping and the returns are not feasible, it is better to avoid from those sites. Tip number four is always go over the sizing charts. Take a tape measure, measure yourself, and then go to the sizing in the item which you want to purchase. And even if you're purchasing multiple items from the same website, go over the sizing chart again and again, because even different items may have a different sizing. I had made a mistake once. I ordered a item of the same size from the same site twice, and I didn't go over the sizing chart and they changed the sizing. So the item was too big for me, and unfortunately for me the return policy was not very feasible, so I had to keep the item. Well, at least it was too big and loose for me rather than too tight, but still, or better go over the sizing thoroughly. Number five is choosing the material right. I personally prefer going for cotton when I purchase any clothes online. Why? Because I feel cotton, I know what kind of material is going to be, but if I go for polyester or even viscose, there may be a bunch of different way the fabric is made. Polyester has a wide variety. If I purchase polyester, I usually go for chiffons because I know that it's a flowy fabric and it may be better suited, but I personally prefer to go for cotton because I feel you cannot go wrong with cotton. Number six is always go through the washing and the drying instructions, whether you're shopping in the store or online, because if the material is only dry clean or even hand wash, then it may not be feasible for you. So that is one more thing you have to check out before purchasing any dress. Number seven is see how the fabric falls on the model in the picture. Like the height of the model, the size of the model, so you have a little bit of idea about how it may look on you. And last tip, the tip number 8 is, if there is no clear description in the description below in the website, I would personally not go with that dress. If there's no clear description, absolutely avoid purchasing that item. So these are my little tips and tricks for purchasing items online. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ma salama.